So these are American elm. Great thing about growing elm and red maple, silver maple, is that you can repot them. It has no effect on them. You can repot them anytime you want, basically. I just repotted mine, which I've done before. I even repotted my 2 Norway pines. This is a bigger red maple with gnarly roots. So they'll stay in these pots for a few years. This liquid amber. And there's China rose. I repotted 3 others over here. These are all red maple. I just did these. Typically, I try to be gentle when I'm repotting, but even if I'm really rough with them, it has no effect. So I'll just leave these alone until spring. Good. Hopefully this will make a nice design. That's a swamp oak here, willow oak. I'm not going to touch these. Might get this silver maple out of this windowsill pot. That's pretty much it. I don't have any fancy trees, just regular everyday trees. Have a nice evening.